What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. Till now most of you guys must be aware about Android 12 Beta 3 which is being rolled out for Pixel devices. So in this video, we'll take a look at what all new features have been added on third beta of Android 12. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. I've been using this build since the day it was rolled out for Pixel devices. There are lots of new features which have been added. Along with that, this build also brings few bugs. And the bugs which I have encountered while using this device, I'll let you know at the end of this video. One of the major change what you guys gonna notice after installing Beta 3 is related to the theming system on Android 12. I feel Google is very close to finalizing this Material You theming system. As you can see here, under the wallpaper and style section, we also get to see some UI changes. Depending on the wallpaper, system will give you a few options to change the colors, and we still have the basic color options. But here we still have unlimited options. Along with that, we also get to see this dark theme option implemented directly inside the wallpaper and style section along with theme icon. So once you enable theme icon, depending on the color what you have chosen here, the icons on the home screen will adopt the same color. And one more thing which I have noticed on Beta 3, whenever we long press on the home screen, these three sections will have different color depending on the area color where you have tapped on the wallpaper. So like for example, let's tap it on this area, and here you can see the color difference in these three sections. Depending on the color which you are tapping, this pop-up will adapt to the same color. And now let's tap it here, and there we go. Here also you'll see this pop-up menu have adapted to the same color of that specific area where I long pressed. And guys, I'm not exactly sure whether you guys will be able to see this color difference. But if you have any device which can run Beta 3, then you guys can try it out yourself. Next major change with Android 12 Beta 3 is related to addition of expanded screenshot. So finally Google have added this feature on Android 12 Beta 3. So whenever you take a screenshot, we get the option to capture more. Once tapping on that, now you can select the expanded screenshots or the entire screen to be captured under the same screenshot. So this was one of the most awaited feature on Google devices. Though this feature isn't working on websites. So when we take a screenshot of any website, we don't get the option to select the expanded screenshot or capture more option. Let's hope they added in the final build of Android 12. Another addition to Beta 3 is this new share option what you get it in the recents panel. So if you're watching any YouTube video or browsing on Chrome, you'll get this share option on the right top corner. Just by tapping on it, this will give you an option to copy the URL or directly share. And the same goes here in the Chrome if you're browsing something. And then under auto rotation, we have a new option called enable face detection. So if you have enabled use auto rotate feature, you can also enable the face detection option from the same section. And here it says face detection uses the front camera to improve auto rotate accuracy. Images are never stored or sent to Google. And I've been using this feature on my Pixel device, and currently this is not 100% accurate. Let's wait and see how Google improves it in the upcoming builds or in the stable Android 12 builds. Though it will be a very helpful feature. With Beta 3, Google have also added the ability to disable swipe up gesture for Assistant. And this setting can be found inside the gesture setting where you can disable it. And after that, if you swipe up from the left corner or the right corner, Assistant doesn't wake up. And it's good thing to know that Google have done changes to this particular option. Few minor changes have also been done related to one-handed mode, where now they have added this new option of pull screen into reach. So whenever you swipe down from the bottom, you can easily reach the content on the top screen. It's quite a handy feature what Google have introduced in Beta 3. And at last, few minor changes have also been done related to camera application. Now you can easily swipe from 1x to 2x zoom just by swiping over these zooming options. Initially, while swiping, we used to get this option, and now this option only appears when you tap and hold on the zoom options. So this is a minor change. And after this, now camera also adapts to the same UI depending on the theme which you are using on your device. And the same thing goes with the settings panel of camera. Depending on the wallpaper or the color which you have chosen, you'll also see changes in the camera application too. So guys, these were the few new additions done to Android 12 Beta 3. Now let's also talk about few issues what I personally faced while using Beta 3. And one of the major issue what I have noticed while using this device or Android 12 Beta 3 is related to no response from the device while using. And that also happens when I try to unlock the device. Few times device stucks up at the blank screen. Next issue is with picture-in-picture mode, and this have happened almost all the times. If I'm watching any video and I switch to picture-in-picture mode, this is how it looks on the home screen. So here I have taken a screenshot, and in picture-in-picture mode I wasn't able to watch any videos. Also I have performed a factory reset after updating the device, and still results were pretty same. And the last issue what I have noticed on Beta 3 is related to the notification of missed calls in the notification panel. Though I don't have any screenshot of that, but if I get any missed call, then I'm not able to remove the notification of that particular missed call. To fix that issue, the only thing left with me is to reboot the device. So these are the few minor issues what I have been facing, but overall till now one of the best Android 12 build which I have used on my Pixel device. So guys, this was the quick look on Android 12 Beta 3, and I'll also try to install Beta 3 on my OnePlus devices, and if everything goes well, then you guys gonna see a video on that. As of now only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up, and also if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.